wait for ya ya me ya finish marry ya me ya da for me e de ma gbe yan ina we dey agbe post italemeke lawa gbe a depression of Jena talking and increase in 2024.
My people, wahala be like bicycle. Lady of son don't reply Iyore for the video where Iyore do yesterday when he come dey like lay course for lady of song saying if not be say she can't talk about Amaekpo where she can't dey talk, therefore no watch Esther leg. So Esther don't come lay course for that one, say if really now true she lay course, I'll put the video more now watch. You know, say benin the user until they make parable say I want seri energy. Sometimes we all need to mind our business. They don't say make person not talk, but not pass your boundary. When you pass your boundary, it's so annoying, my people. May I put the video more and listen to Esther Edokpayi for the video where she do. Now bye bye for now.
Banuta ni hian ite we dey do reply we and emani butie me mi amene sin when you get reply we. Emani bun ka wo se we ka be follower we iya when you get reply we. Iya when you get reply we. But he reply imo etigui. Now so my matter day. They say that Esther to the talk. Now Esther they talk for the family. If I never die. Not be who don't die, not they talk. You might understand why. I'm not who ne phone ne gwa yera gbon. I'm why they oppress me be gwa. If they take it when the team say he live video presenter, but okay o make na we gwa ya. E ma bu no gwa ye matter na bet o me meso no wa onu we gugun wa we gwa. We answer. You must not answer everybody. Man, one way go we go. Emi me here time we madam. Or talk back and here. Iwe or take right here time away. Number one. Uwe a video no go de gbe uwe ugwane bo wie. Ugwane yan ke do pe mo we bo wie. De ma egbe. Uwe mana do reply we awon me imi ogogo. Ya ri ba imi ogogo. Me we tagi. Now, email he reply we always saga o igwi o because what time we okore mo pa makere eruka we okore mo pa makere obe ma veri o no tema fun agagele miewe after we marriage ne awa we funeral tani family me ka bo sebi yon mani me ya lele me ri me ari oda o wa me get more time we no put am for live video. I want record and make I post am. A marriage from morning till the end. A live video yaga aje. And the need even post because other monetize a page me because admin me omano gume we time me we ni be record na be post. Aga mie we oya make am mother for me we we live video here post aga mie ge o tani agele we uga wan me wa mo gogo. If you are not your body or your gogo no. A depression of Jena or reduce wa mo gogo. Yeah, ati ebona gba. Aga mie we deri oge edegbe na kewe wa mo gogo. But aga mie we deri o no. When I ya we for ya me when ya finish marry ya me ya da for me e de ma gbe yan ina we dey agbe post italemeke lawa gbe a depression of Jena talking and increase in 2024. Gbogbo de gbe mi ogogo wa won me o mi ogogo wa ri bae o mi ogogo kebi ke mi ri o mi ogogo unu gegu mebe gegu o aga mi gebe nu tani eri ogele no o am ogogo your depression will reduce. Emi ya no da wo so lo gba wenu emi ninu wo no so lo gba unu emi no da wo so lo gba wenu but aga mie we deri awe de magbeyan wa wan me omi ogogo wa ri bae omi ogogo wa ri bae no fi gbonje omi ogogo wa ri bae na yen le omi ogogo wa ya mekwe omi ogogo wa ri ome omi ogogo wa yan e o yan gbe omi ogogo oni na number 1. Number 2, where the me not your happiness. Where the me mogogo. Where the me we no me give me mogogo. Ina tama be na we gani mana mogogo. Igani mama we me mana ku. Imame itoge. I was really, really sad. Like, ew, who na my understanding, man? Ew, who na my man? Imame. It got to a point I said, I want to leave. I'm not fit. It was sort of not like a very old. Oh, well, I'm a coming or rugged or woman. Hey, don't matter. Even when I said, I'm lying to myself, but that's not what my spirit wants. Even though everybody doing, everybody doing. I'm lying. I was lying. I was lying. It might go. Because you have a way to give me, baby. Oh, I not do again. I not do again. My husband will say, don't worry. With time, she go understand you. Then you have a so we go. Oh, when he say, I don't understand the web, but today, behold, we thank God. Imagine how more go. But kakaboge say after that marriage, go wakbo. Iwa mo go. E ko rin me. E de na mu go jomo hun e de marriage me. Owe ege no na atia me. Owe iga praise we. E no na go me no ma. Iga praise we. Iga ya we sin we. Ima ya we sin wa. Ege ni na hia we show. E mo ya ni gume advertise show me. Ina be so niya. Iswe niya ya. Que no ogia me be no we ka winyo ogia me Facebook o ke no se me o as far as gume we show ni ne gume publicize show ni ne e kia me appreciation song gina so ni e bo ya yo omo no e se kin yo mo no ma e se ohun ga ogia me una we se mi pon me we omo no e se kin so o si na wa be si wona we appreciate wa ya you understand because my jere this when we like any matter we ina we appreciate wa ya maybe by neck of one need to the dollar that we are doing one not to swing anywhere yo on the number 1 then number 2 o we ni agbe message be Facebook o we when we na message o mwegia unwe no ro wie we ru dame another we unwe no mwe ni memwegia udu we unwe bo ni memaga tu eru du we lege ni ana mu waburo ni ana mu ebogbo we inwe bo no ga le ni meru du we Esther ogun ba ya lele ko ma ni ya mu ebogbe e wi ya lele ku u ya share video ge u ya wonu Esther u kamo ko nere isunu ye ni we nere isu ni we e bo mo ne bo ya le na u ya lele wana we nere ilatedo wana we unwe ya ni muru da we unwe ma no ro bi e meru da we unwe ma no ro bi e meru da we e bi ne bo ya na le na ya ina yi make ni wala o wa be one day wa be ge ona be setting me ya yin mi a o salo ba na be we ba na yin be seri o e salo ba be yin na be yin be seri o e mi ya be de okay wala o ahin wa obi yo korion no ti ma no you know all my fans they will come to me and say don't do that again hey share video again hey lele hian hey ga mi we mi o hian ba no o sote we do owo na iwe o wala o baba one day ona e tin lo de no keke no la no yin mi no lo de no keke no la mi ma no keke no mi wa be go salo ba we yin be seri we imwe gian bu dan we owo pe won mo de gbe pe won me o kin be topa owe orupa na ge de yo ma ye bo we dopa we yo na o pa wo do yo ma ti e o die me a ana we na say ejuma die me o ma die me imo eji me ma mo le o imo e ma wa o han wa we 60 ye o han wa we 70 ye o e de nira bi je me bia me yon ima mo le o do we die me problem ro ima worry wa be die me wa ri o me ri enu e who out there you who are you who is this ala hina yi stop calling me my friend I know the verse I know they do saga I just want because mu we ge when we ti owo mu we ti owo nu we be ka we ona be responsible ona be ma bo ona do we mi no ma keke owo e bo ka wo po give it's not fair now igu e ti mo inu ona call me si when emi ni ate do when mi ate do we I don't lie you. I don't lie you. If I want saga you, but I don't want. I know you want because any measure, yeah, like come or when me not damn. If I have here, we work away. Why this person do me like this? Why do this thing? We were marriage. Ete me gbenya ula di ana so asaga me. We to advice. We to advice. Una so asaga me. We marriage ete me gbe. Anu wo we ekori won kin we ekori won ten me no. Owuk money me joy. Ina ge ask girl be my we no tie e judge ni joy is 5 almost 600,000 e judge ni ki. E judge be a car. A judge is almost 600,000. You go about 20,000 like 600,000 re. We judge ni. We ni go na ya say traditional marriage you e may the other one. Traditional marriage you dress traditionally. E na be we very only traditionally. You na be suit money to make sure not look tradition. We go bieje. Una yunuri ya ewa. Una yunuri ya money wa. Una so me nuga so ba. O ma begere no la o. O ma begere no la o. O ma begere no la. E wo bie me we ra me we je me we kwara me we gbe me. Eri odori e marriage oge gberegbe. Odori e marriage oge gberegbe. Odori e marriage oge gberegbe. Olo no una so atale. O ma we o we ga gbin na ni me abi tu we ga disgrace me. Abi tu we ga disgrace me. Emi ni nuga uni uwe mu agbada na wonu efuga owe maybe I when ma give am those swing gbin na wa edu ale lo give am gbina. Why you do like this? Why you can't do like this? Why you not do like ma do agbina? Eto ma gbanu because omo no me nwa hin era me ka bo lecture me o ke pa e je me gba me bu mo de kakabo je me ati me o kan ma me bi me o wa me bu mo de ekinu we do ni ekinu mara anu a oti ma be do gbo ni dama bet ivia u oni se wasia egbe no wa be owege wa be taige wa ina ma be to ga vie bo tai wasia ma you no wa be owege wa be taige oni se you know how many of my children say they want come beat ina do wear black and blue with Facebook ina so wala wasia o mana be he gwa na be like be ma worry irere mu to God who made me irere mu wa we mi yage irere mu bet ono na we wa do be do nania o mara we ade ma ni ke ya abi be ka ya na tala bada be we be lajan we do correct yan we o erio amado mu my vare hotel wetin ma ya bukeru mo na ya anything wa anado mu ma ana ido mu la tin we wa do kin ya eva o yan wa we ni mi wa bu yan o e yan do mu di video la jan ero ama me no mu ma gina be hotel mama no mu ma gina bo wa we yan do mu di video la jan ju wa do ya ta. If I choose to enjoy my life the way I want, who are you to tell me? Who are you? Women are ladian do reply him or when do reply na ma do reply ma do tie bonwe ma do ro wie we when you do tama when you make na ha mo gogo and I no do tama we where we may dey try a day bed order for me 22nd of next month or a bed order for me your eye go see something e suffer you go me order for me suffer you go get o give am gba mi e wo ga te wa do date o bisalu wa gba mi o ga te buy your head obi ere ze go kere no ro din de ya ke do lu igo ni do we o meni ya we o meni ya we ni ana ye do gun aba no we imeni ya lu o wa worry e deri o wa be mi o be what am I when you enjoy life me agbe give vana we rio because me do tamu when we have life we go wa we no do correct marriage oma who do atem no me marriage oma who do atem no ma me no observe we kem no ma observe marriage oma me mi wa woda fun we there live video no wa woda fun we ladian no wa do agbe love who catch a marriage in before a marriage in ya pe wo we marriage ni what's a woman am la jam with live video no we live video na ge be ni ya pe wo we what's a woman am la jam we na do aso yogi me we no way abomination emi ni me ho meta na o again we ya marry bon we marry ni we wo bi gbo maro ni we marry o bi gbo akabe mi o bi gbo me mu go yo wo okay only abomination. Only abomination. Abi ebo o mama gbon. Ebo o mama gbon. Eyin mi yan. Spirit yan. O marry no marry ebo o mama gbon. Wa gudo marry black igbai. Only abomination. God. Abi wagelege mani gwan ye mata na wan egun yawe mi ni ata ni a lesboni wage mani gwan yo wan egun yawe because the reaction was somehow and no pa no we are lecture no ya lecture I mean okay ati meteme although sha ko ya na miena no ma na tie ero because wa wash emi ni awu ni ate BF wa wash have a movie ni ya oni so I me no ma understand me na gun kan am I where omomo mahaki I me no ma understand but o ma no kawe ne o ma no ye we o ga gun almost we wo ma na o we mi na o ye we the way no ya lecture we o de no lagbera nenu and anybody now wa ku kekan the way ni ya read the minute to it you will know where emini aka uno o ma understand so in case you people don't know a video bana saboro share ba ne owi obokpa na ri okwefa no na ri okwefa mebe ya mo video ni mi have post e ba a video ni hello yeah. Okay. Okay. What's it? Where are you buying? Wa mi wi obo ni no ri okwe va ni. Se ni be keep the video ne. Video ni iri mi ogwe na gie kwa now okpi ani de mi no oyiku nu iku oni kugbe ona munu yin eva nu pa wa ge video nu na ri yin eva nu pa that same month ona ya kiss yin eva nu pa then iku oni eveva yin eva ma munu so gbonu never ni eva already munu so gbonu never now. Some people now they are so inquisitive, like they want to know these three people how they say they do what they do. I want to tell you, if your husband want marry join you, tell her, ask and say this one where you want marry so. How well do you know her? Some women they pretend, some not they pretend. Hey, you hold down by me, la wo. Ona ikawe I sale beno e marry they hold down by me. Then we no ko na we yare bama. No any wo koro wa yan dori ewe de una ginger the swagger wo guys egbe guys e wono na okay as e wise your press e kwefua o ma me de do kwefua ma me de do kwefua then wa wo na dori e ba ma whatever you are mo gbere to understand mo gbere to e fi mi ro pa yan ma gbere o ma we ni go like pocket we go no ahun abedo ma we ni la we po it's just a matter of wisdom. It's a matter of wisdom. Now people are just trying to like, yeah, where how come they can't take tight like this after the fight and everything? Now threesome. Like a threesome. And it's very nice. They bring unity. They bring unity. They bring try with your wife. Oh, I'm gonna try with your wife. If you get 2 wives, 3 wives. Try very nice. Oh, they bring unity. Oh, they bring as everybody go free your heart go free, your mind go free, you go look as in, you don't understand me? Yes, I go, Wortoworto, gege. Oh my God. So as I was saying, here would be what Bobo, we were near him, I take away, Jenna, then we let any man get them away. Destiny no be Ebagua no be hakere na me come o wa vi we va e ma me so wo kan aya kan eso lo bogo ko no pare aya won ye ko eso lo bona aya won ye ko dem no scatter no ya o iri ani de we mata ma we can setting na wo setting mata ma we gbe we ro e no bi o kan wi mi na wo gbe we aro e wo ji e na ne gbe we ro ya gbe we ro ya. Why team mama about who don't bad, who don't good, who want good, go must good, no matter what. So as I was saying, before you talk for my marriage again, eti bataya tama we now. Am I not here? See him where la dia reply gwan wanna mommy I'm sorry imado tie bonne imado go egwan we ni wa beta my way. When you better way, eri egbina me, eri agbin arobi and everything. E ma ya ni tie bo me, they no mass my PA, I'm sorry. My ya we ya it's just a PA me. A PA me now. Obi o kan no me yon do. A PA me. O me go seyan. A PA me go seyan. E ma ya ni tie bo me ni. A PA me go seyan na. A PA me live life seyan. Okay, we born we tell many the way we tell but me no na. There are sometimes you just want to answer some questions, there are sometimes you don't want to. You let them be. Battery. It may have it true now. So, eri gbina me, it may wa we gbina no where my sister. It wa we gbina no we. And I someone do I let myself. Because me mi ene be me no je stigmatization ege ne mo ge ya va yan ni na mo ge bagbiyan e ma ni buna le yan na le o ma na stigmatization mine na stigmatization e fancy we atamawe Emma begbe yawu Esther yorobo mo so yorobo wa ya fefefe wo seti gwe wonu wo seti we no pa wo seti we no gba jorobo ye no bo temata we nu e wo no e call me we yan do temata yan do saga we benu ya ha mi ya we ni yan do give a fake testimony we sort and water we nu e wo no eti me lady or son we dey see and say she say na your sister, she say na your sister, she say she be your sister, she say na be from the same Iyore. They want come confess, they want come talk true, they want come talk. Say your this thing they do fake this thing for that you take they tell people make they come they give fake testimony. I'll see they beg them say I beg no na forget. Everybody get their way, the way they take they come out, they do their content for Facebook, for this social media. Everybody get the way they take they do their content. This one on social media. You want to sell your business on social media, sell it. You want to do anything to create content to make your money, make it. I'm a content creator. I do music. That is my content.